Hello everybody, I'm Xander from CCTREE. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. So what's better than one piece of a ship? Two pieces of a ship.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
This is the little bathtub tug boat created by Van Dragon D on Thingiverse. There'll be a link to it in the description. This gives you the option to print it in two pieces so that you can increase the infill on the bottom piece and make it heavier so that it will float upright. I am now going to super glue these pieces together.
5 minutes later.
I've now super glued it together. This was printed with CCTREE PLA on the Prusa MK2S with a 215-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. This is a cool model. It took a long time to print because of the level of detail. It has a little dude in it. And I really like this model. Thank you for tuning into this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Till next week, as always, print on. Hey everyone, so I fired my joke writer. Tell me a boat joke.
Did you know that bats are not actually blind? That's why they're so good at hitting baseballs.
It didn't say boat. It put in tell me a joke. Hey everyone. So I fired my joke writer. Tell me a boat joke.
What kind of music do chiropractors love?
It's not
Hip-hop.
Ouch. Hip hop.
hip hop.
Yeah, it's picking up about. You have to say, tell me
A boat.
a boat joke.
Okay.
Boat.
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 I get him a Minnesota accent.
Boat. Yeah, man, it's a boat.
That's Jamaican.
Oh.
Alright.
Hey everyone, I fired my joke writer, so tell me a boat joke.
The missing sailor was a little too into swabbing the deck. I think he went overboard.